Welcome to my presentation, Cryptocurrency Explained, presented by Sean Bourne. In today's video, I will explain what is cryptocurrency, how it works, and why you should invest in it now. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. There is no physical coin or bill, and it only exists electronically online via the internet. It is not attached to a state or government, so it does not have a central issuing authority or regulatory body. This basically means that there is no organization deciding when to make more bitcoins, figuring out how many to produce, keeping track of where they are, or investigating fraud. You can use cryptocurrency to buy goods and services, make payment, or buy cryptocurrency as an investment, hoping the value goes up. You can buy cryptocurrency with a credit card. It is stored in a digital wallet, either online or on your computer or other hardware. How does it work? Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is actually an entry on a huge global ledger called a blockchain. A blockchain is a huge computerized database that records and stores individual ownership of cryptocurrency. The blockchain records every Bitcoin transaction that has ever happened. When you send someone Bitcoin, what you are doing is simply writing down that exchange on the ledger. For example, John sends Michael 10 Bitcoins. Volunteers or miners update the blockchain. This works because there are lots of people keeping the same thing to make sure all transactions are accurate. Thousands of people are separately maintaining the cryptocurrency blockchain. 5 best cryptocurrency. 1 Bitcoin. 2 Ethereum. 3 Binance Coin. 4 XRP. 5 Tether. How to buy cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrency, you need a wallet and online app that hold your currency. You create an account on an exchange and then you transfer real money to buy cryptocurrency such as Bitcoins. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency trading exchange where you create both a wallet and buy bitcoins and sell other cryptocurrencies. Other online brokers include eToro, Robinhood, TradeStation, Webull, etc. 5 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency. 1. It will be the main currency in the future. It will become the world's single currency and traditional currency will be on its way out. 2. Get familiarized with the technology. Learn as much as you can about it. Read blogs and take online courses to fully educate yourself about it. 3. You will position yourself better for opportunities in this space. Cryptocurrency has great potential to grow over time. 4. No one controls your money. No bank or government has control of your money. Crypto runs 24/7 every single day. Crypto transaction takes between 15 minutes to an hour to complete. 5. The best security on the market. Transactions and data is stored by tens of thousands of computers, unlike a bank, which is stored in one central location. It is impossible to hack the blockchain technology. The hacker will have to hack almost every single user or computer in the blockchain to succeed. Final thoughts. Cryptocurrency is making big wave, great potential to grow over time. It is here to stay. Learn as much as you can by reading blogs, watching videos, and taking a course in cryptocurrency to get an in-depth knowledge about it, and then start investing in it. We live in a digital environment. Going forward, more and more people and businesses will trust and accept crypto as the new currency of doing business. This is your chance to invest in cryptocurrency, build your wealth with this digital asset, and become part of the crypto revolution. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and check the links in the description. Check out the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency courses in the description.